Imagine a four-legged conservation hero with an extraordinary nose that can detect something most humans can never see. This is a conservation dog, nature's most innovative and powerful ecological survey tool. Conservation dogs are specially trained working dogs that use their incredible sense of smell to help scientists and environmentalists protect our most vulnerable ecosystems. Unlike traditional research methods, these remarkable canines can locate rare species, track invasive plants, detect wildlife scat, and even identify environmental changes with a precision that no human technology can match. Here at the NYNJTC Trail Conference, we pioneered a groundbreaking approach to environmental stewardship. Our Conservation Dogs program isn't just about research, it's about creating a community of passionate individuals who are committed to protecting our natural landscapes. This year, we've launched something truly special, our first ever Volunteer Dog Surveyor Program. We're bringing together dedicated dog teams to become active participants in conservation research. And here's the best part, it's pure joy for both dog and human. Training begins right inside your home with fun scent detection games where dogs work eagerly for their favorite toy, ball, or even food reward. Every successful find is a celebration. The dog gets their cherished reward, and the human gets to watch their companion doing what they were born to do. Together, teams progress from indoor games to hiding targets in backyards and local parks, gradually building the dog's ability to detect invasive plant species with precision and excitement. These volunteer teams will walk our trails, using their dogs' extraordinary scent detection abilities to identify invasive plant species that might otherwise go unnoticed. The power of these dogs is in their precision. Walking on leash alongside their human partners, these canine conservation partners can detect invasive plants that human eyes might easily miss. They can identify specific plant species along critical pathways where invasives typically spread, helping us catch and address potential ecological threats before they become widespread. A trained conservation dog can spot a single invasive plant that a human might walk right past, turning every trail walk into a potential conservation mission. But this program is more than just science. It's about connection. It's about bringing together dog lovers, naturalists, and community members who share a passion for our natural world. Every dog and human team becomes a critical part of our conservation mission. For over a century, the Trail Conference has relied on an extraordinary community of 2,000 volunteers who maintain and protect over 2,100 miles of trails across New York and New Jersey. Now, our Conservation Dogs program welcomes a new kind of volunteer, four-legged partners ready to join this proud tradition.